1. Location, Grizzly Peak. 2. Rating. 3. Restrictions, 42 in, 107 centimeters. 4. Ride time, 5 minutes. 5. Recommended for teens and adults who don't mind getting wet. 6. Fun factor, medium. 7. Weight factor, high. Find out how to use Fastpass to shorten your time in line, or try getting in line during the parades or evening shows. The ride has a single rider option that may help you get on faster. Cast members use single riders to fill in otherwise empty seats. If you're willing to split up from the rest of your group while riding, it can shorten your wait time significantly. 8. Fear factor, low. 9. Herky-Jerky Factor. This ride is not for anyone with neck or back trouble, heart problems, or for expectant mothers. Or so Disney says. You should decide for yourself, but compared to other rides at Disneyland Resort, it's not overly fast, or jerky. 10. Nausea factor, low. 11. Seating. Ride vehicles look like large, inflatable rafts. Riders sit around the edges, facing the center. You have to step over the edge and down to get in. Don't even try to pick the seat that will stay the driest. The ride's slow spinning motion ensures that water comes in every side somewhere along the way. 12. Accessibility. You will have to transfer from your wheelchair or ECV by yourself or with help from your traveling companions. There are some steps to go up and down as you get on and off. Enter with everyone else and then go through the designated gate near the loading zone. If you're using a Fastpass, ask a cast member at the loading area for help. Service animals are not allowed. More about visiting Disneyland in a wheelchair or ECV.